Now we need to test the whole payment workflow to make sure that PayPal payment integration works perfectly. We will test payment using both payment methods, cash on delivery, COD, and PayPal or credit card. And with PayPal, we will test using PayPal account and using credit card. Okay, so this is our website homepage, and as a customer browsing the bookshop, I want to buy some books about Java. For example, Effective Java 3rd edition. So I add this book to the shopping cart. Here, and I want to buy another book, Java 8 in Action. And I also want to buy another book, Spring in Action. Two cards, so I had 3 books in the shopping cart here, and I want to proceed to checkout, and I need to log in as a customer. David. Okay, I'm logged in, and this is a checkout page that allows me to enter the recipient information, and by default the recipient information is customer information. And I can change the recipient information. For example, I want to order books for my friends, so the recipient information is my friend's address. Now just change the address line to 300 Avenue, for example. And now I choose the payment method is cash on delivery, and click place order button, and you see the message, thank you, the order has been received, we will deliver the books within a few days. And in the admin, we need to check in the admin section, log in as admin. Okay, I'm logged in, and you can see in the admin dashboard, you can see the recent sales, the recent order with ID 31 here, book copies 3, total, payment method, cash on delivery. Okay, and click the order ID to see the details of this order. You can see this is the details of the newly order made by the customer, order by David Peterson, and you can see in the recipient information the address line is updated to 300 Avenue. Okay, and this is information about the order books, 3 books. You see Java 8 in Action, Spring in Action, Effective Java, and this is the amount detail, subtotal, tax and shipping fee. So far so good. And now we will test payment workflow using PayPal. So I log out, and this time I want to buy some books about lifestyle and the power of habit and Think and Grow Rich, 2 books, and the power of habit I want to buy 2 copies, so I update 2 copies, update and perform checkout. I need to log in, and this time I log in as customer Ravi Kumar. Okay, and this is a checkout page. You see, Now I choose a payment method is PayPal or credit card and click place order. And this is a PayPal's payment interface, and I log in using my PayPal account. Log in. Here we go, and you can see the PayPal's payment page displays order details here. The total amount here, 51.92 USD, and you can see the details here. The titles of the books here. Think and Grow Rich, 1 copy, and The Power of Habit, 2 copy, and the total amount, tax and shipping. And the order will be shipped to this address. You see, it's the address Ravi Kumar in New Delhi, India. And click continue button. And this is a review payment page that allows me to carefully review the information before paying the money. Payer information, recipient information, and transaction details. 2 books and 3 copies. You see, and I click the Pay Now button. You see, you have made payment successfully. Thank you for purchasing. And this is receipt information, seller information, buyer information, order details, order by customer Ravi Kumar, order ID 32, and this is the item details. And if I want to print this receipt, I can click this button, click print receipt, and you see the pop-up dialog appears here, and it automatically shows the print dialog. And let me review the content of the print page. Here you see, and if I want to print, I can click the print button here to print the receipt. But I don't have any printer connected to my computer. Okay, that's the payment using PayPal's account works perfectly. And let's check the information in the admin orders here. And you can see the newly created order by the customer Ravi Kumar here. 3 book copies, total amount, payment method PayPal, order ID 32 here. Very good, right? Click here to see the details of the order, and you can see this is the details of the order. Now let's test payment using PayPal and credit card. So I want to buy a book in web design for hackers here. Add to cart and check out. And I log in. Ravi Kumar. Okay, this is a checkout page. And now I choose the payment method, PayPal or credit card. Place order. And now I choose to pay with a bank account or credit card. I choose my country is India. And you can see PayPal displays the order details here. Design for hackers is only 1 book in this order, and total is 40.50 59 USD. Enter the card number. This is your Visa card number, and expiration date is September 2020. CVV number 155. First name Ravi, last name Kumar, and phone number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rest 9192. City New Delhi and State Delhi. Pin postal code. And PayPal requires me to get a PayPal account. So I enter the email address ravikumar.india123. Ravikumar. Date of birth. Okay, and click agree and continue. Invalid phone number. Okay. And click agree and continue button. We got an error here. Sorry, the bank wasn't able to verify the Visa card. Okay, I change the country to Andorra. Card number and expiration date. Here, PayPal requires me to enter to register an PayPal account with an ID number. Let's enter dummy information, test information. Click agree and continue. Phone number. Password. Agree and continue. And you see, you might already have an account with this email address. So change the email. Ravikumar. India. Delhi. Click agree and continue. We are running in a sandbox mode in testing environment. Okay, so the review payment page gets display. And you can see the payer information email is updated here. And click pay now button. You see, you have made payment successfully. Thank you for purchasing. The payment receipt, seller information, buyer information, and other details. And I want to print this receipt. Okay, click the print button to print this receipt. So far so good, right?